In the middle of Turkmenistan's Karakum Desert, there's a fiery pit that has been burning for 55 years straight, never once going out. Day or night, sandstorm or calm, the flames keep raging. This isn't a natural wonder, it's a man-made disaster. Its official name is the Darvaza gas crater, but tourists and locals call it the door to hell. It all began in 1971 when Turkmenistan was still part of the Soviet Union. A team of Soviet geologists was sent to drill for natural gas reserves deep in the desert. They found a promising spot and started drilling. What they didn't know was that a massive underground cavern filled with methane lay beneath them. The moment their drill punched through the roof of the cavern, everything collapsed. Within seconds, the ground caved in, opening a sinkhole 70 meters wide. A gaping crater 30 meters deep was formed, and toxic gas started gushing violently into the air. Methane is dangerous. Colorless, odorless, but highly explosive. Inhaling too much of it could wipe out an entire village. The scientists panicked. Afraid the gas would spread, they took a shortcut. Burn it all off until it was gone. Their thinking was simple. If the gas kept burning, the source would run dry in maybe 2 weeks, and the fire would die on its own. They tossed a torch into the crater, and an enormous fire erupted instantly. 2 weeks passed. The fire was still there. 2 years passed. The flames grew even higher. 55 years passed. As of today, in 2026, the door to hell is still burning. Temperatures at the bottom of the crater can hit 1,000 degrees Celsius, over 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt metal. Every single day, the amount of natural gas going up in flames could power a small city. In money terms, millions of dollars worth of gas vanishes into the fire every 24 hours, and it's been happening for half a century. Strangely enough, the Turkmen government opened the crater to tourists. Each year, thousands of people drive for hours into the desert just to witness this eternal fire. At night, the glow can be seen from 40 kilometers away, like a sun fallen to earth. In 2022, the president of Turkmenistan officially ordered scientists to find a way to close the crater, calling it a waste of energy and a source of pollution. Yet 4 years later, tourists still freely visit and take photos right at its edge. Meanwhile, back in 2013, one guy actually went down there. His name is George Karunis, a Canadian explorer. Wearing a special heat-resistant suit, he became the first human to set foot at the bottom of the door to hell. There, he discovered extremophile microbes that live in hellish temperatures, microbes never found anywhere else on Earth. So now the crater is a dilemma. On one hand, it's burning the nation's wealth every second. On the other, it's a tourist icon that puts Turkmenistan on the global map.